your Windows 11 PC has started feeling slow or heavy, a lot of hidden cache might be the reason. In this video, I will show you a simple and clean way to remove all that junk and free up space, so your PC can run smoothly again. So let's get started. We will begin with one of the most basic but important location, the temporary files folder. These files are created by Windows and apps during daily use, but most of them are no longer needed. So first, right click on the Windows icon. Now click on Run. Now here type temp and click OK. And click Continue if prompted. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything. And press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete. Click on Yes. This step alone removes a good amount of basic junk files from your system. Now let's clean the second temporary location, which usually contains even more cache files. So right click on the Windows icon and click Run. Now here type %temp% and click OK. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete everything. Click Yes. This folder often builds up a lot of unnecessary files, so cleaning it can free up noticeable space. Next, we will clear the prefetch files. These files help Windows launch apps faster, but over time outdated entries can slow things down. So press Windows plus R and here type prefetch and hit enter and click continue if prompted. Now select all files. After that, press Shift plus Delete key simultaneously to delete everything. Click on Yes. Your old and unused prefetch data is now removed, helping keep your system cleaner. Now you will remove leftover Windows Update files that often occupy a large amount of disk space. So first open File Explorer. Now go to Local Disk C. Open the Windows folder. Now search for Software Distribution and open it. Now open the Download folder. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete. Click on Yes. Click Continue if prompted. This clears old update cache files that are no longer required. Next, we will refresh File Explorer by clearing its history. So open File Explorer. Now click on the three dots. Select Options. Under Privacy, make sure all the boxes are checked. Click Clear. Then click on Apply and click on OK. This refreshes File Explorer and improves navigation performance. Now let's use Windows built-in Disk Cleanup tool for deeper system cleaning. So first go to Windows Search and search for Disk Cleanup. Now click on it. Here select the C drive and then click OK. Now check all important options such as Windows Update Cleanup, DirectX Shader Cache, Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, etc. And then click on OK. After that, click Delete Files. These steps removes hidden system junk and recovers a significant amount of storage. Now you will clear the RAM standby cache to refresh system memory. So first go to Windows search and type RAM map. Now open the official Microsoft link. Now from here download the tool and save it. Now right click on the downloaded file and select Extract All. Then click on Extract. Now open rammap64.exe. In RAM map, click Empty and select Empty Standby List. Your RAM cache is now cleared and memory is refreshed instantly. Now you will clear the network cache to fix slow or unstable internet. So first go to Windows Start and type cmd. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now in the command prompt window type ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. Now DNS cache will be flushed. This resets your network cache and improves connectivity. Next, let's clear the Microsoft Store cache to fix store errors. In cmd type wsreset.exe and then press enter. And it will open the store automatically and your Microsoft Store cache is now refreshed. Finally, let's clean your browser cache to improve browsing speed. Open your browser. Then click on three dots. Now go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Then clear browsing data. Now click on Choose what to clear. Now select Browsing History, Cookies, Cached Image or Files, Download History, Uncheck Passwords and Autofill. Now set it to All Time. Then click Clear Now. And your browser is now lighter, faster and more responsive. I hope this helped make your PC faster and smoother. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.